Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Let's see, today's topic is about sides and angles. So what's our objective? To recognize attributes. What is the meaning of attributes? Attributes means we are going to see about the sides and angles of two-dimensional shapes. In our previous lesson we have learned about different two-dimensional shapes. Now let us see about the sides. What's the meaning of a side? Now for this board, this is a side. I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides for the board. So these are called sides. Now whereas the angle means in the corner I have the two lines meeting. So this is making an angle. So I have how many angles for the board? I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are called angles, and the lines which are making, they are called sides. So this is your new vocabulary, sides and angles. Now let's find out the angles and sides for some shapes. Now the first one, it is a triangle. How many sides does it has? 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 sides. Remember, these are called sides. Now for the angles, these are the angles. The two lines meeting at a point is making an angle. So this is called angle. So how many angles do I have here? 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 angles. Now let's see the second one. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write down 4 sides. For the angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles I have. Now, for this shape, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am going to write down 5 sides. For the angles, this one is the angle. 2 lines meeting at a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 angles. Now for this shape I need to see the sides again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles. Oops, this is a circle. But the circle, does it have sides? No, it doesn't have a sides. It's 0 and 0. No angles, no sides. Now, what about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Wonderful. So this is how you find out the sides and angles of a shape. Now I hope the lesson was clear to you. Now it's your grading time. Now look at this about the lesson. Grading from 1 to 4. If you choose the number 1, which says that you don't know the lesson and you need to watch the video again. But if you choose number 2, which says that you need a little bit of practice, which is good, not bad. And if you choose number 3, that means you know the lesson and you can solve it by yourself. But if you choose number 4, that means you know the lesson and you can explain it to someone else, which is awesome. Now, I hope the lesson was very clear and it helped you a lot in understanding. So thank you for watching my video.